Good afternoon. Welcome to Elite Mobile Store. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm looking to buy a high-end flagship phone.
Wonderful. Do you have a particular brand in mind?
I'm considering either an iPhone or the latest Samsung flagship.
Both are excellent choices. Are you looking for specific features like camera quality, display, or performance?
Yes, I want the best camera, fastest performance, and a large storage capacity. Battery life is also important.
All right. For Apple, the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max has excellent performance, a triple lens camera system, and up to 1 terabyte storage.
That sounds impressive. What about the Samsung flagship?
The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 200 megapixel camera, 5000 milliamp hour battery, and a 120 Hz AMOLED display. It's ideal for photography and gaming.
Wow, the camera sounds amazing. Which one is better for photography?
Both are top tier. The iPhone has excellent color accuracy and video quality, while the Samsung has extremely high megapixels and better zoom capabilities.
I like taking landscape photos and also close-up shots.
Then Samsung's 10x optical zoom will be great for you.
That's a big advantage. How about the display quality?
Samsung has a brighter and more vibrant AMOLED display. The iPhone has a great OLED display, but Samsung's is slightly better for streaming videos and gaming.
I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, so display matters. In that case, Samsung might suit your needs more. How is the performance? I play heavy games sometimes.
Both are extremely fast. The iPhone runs on Apple's A17 Bionic chip, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Both can handle demanding games smoothly.
What about storage?
iPhone 15 Pro Max offers up to 1 terabyte. Samsung S23 Ultra goes up to 1 terabyte as well.
Battery life?
Samsung has a larger battery, so it can last slightly longer under heavy use. iPhone is efficient but smaller battery capacity.
Price comparison?
iPhone 15 Pro Max starts around $1,200, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra around $1,150. Prices vary depending on storage.
Not much difference then.
Correct. Are you interested in any additional features like S Pen for Samsung or MagSafe accessories for iPhone?
I've heard about the S Pen. How useful is it?
Very useful for taking notes, drawing, or quickly editing photos. It comes built in with the S23 Ultra.
That sounds good. I often take notes digitally.
Then S23 Ultra could be very convenient.
Does Samsung support wireless charging?
Yes, and also reverse wireless charging for other devices.
Great. Does the iPhone have fast charging?
Yes, up to 50% in about 30 minutes, but Samsung supports 45-watt super fast charging, which is faster.
Seems like Samsung has an edge in battery and display.
True, but iPhone has advantages in software updates and ecosystem integration with MacBooks, iPads, and AirPods.
I don't have Apple devices yet, so maybe Samsung is better for me. That makes sense. Which color do you prefer? I like the Phantom Black version. Excellent choice. It looks very sleek and premium. Does it come with a warranty? Yes, 1-year official warranty covering manufacturing defects. You can also purchase Samsung Care Plus for accidental damage protection. I think I'll add that, just in case. Good idea. Do you want any accessories, like a case or screen protector? Yes, a rugged case and tempered glass. Perfect. I can bundle them with the phone. Can you help me set it up? Absolutely. We can transfer your data, set up accounts, and explain key features. That's great. Your total comes to $1,320, including accessories and protection plan. I'll pay by card. Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Done. Payment successful.
Here's your receipt and warranty card.
Thank you.
Let's set up your phone now.
I'm excited to use it.
I'll also show you the camera features, S Pen functions, and Samsung's One UI customization.
That will be very helpful.
All done. Your phone is ready to use.
Thank you so much for your guidance.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new flagship phone.
I definitely will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have fun exploring your new phone. Hello, welcome to Tech Mall Online. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I want to buy a new mobile phone online, but I'm confused about which one to choose.
No worries. Can you tell me your budget and preferences?
Sure. My budget is around $400. I want a good camera, strong battery, and smooth performance.
Okay. Are you looking for Android or iOS?
I prefer Android.
Great. Within your budget, I can suggest models from Xiaomi, Realme, and Samsung.
Can you recommend the best one for photography?
Sure. This Xiaomi phone has a 64-megapixel quad camera setup with night mode and AI beautification.
Sounds good. How about battery life?
It has a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. It can easily last a full day with heavy use.
Perfect. What about storage?
It comes with 128 gigabytes internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card.
Great. Does it support gaming?
Yes, it has 8 gigabytes RAM and a powerful processor. Most games run smoothly.
That's good to know. How much does it cost?
The price is $399.
Are there any discounts or offers?
Yes, we have a 5% student discount, free shipping, and a free phone case.
That's awesome. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Which color do you prefer?
Do you have black or blue?
Both are available.
I'll take blue.
Perfect. Do you want to add a screen protector?
Yes, please.
That will be an additional $10.
That's fine.
Great. Can I have your delivery address and contact number?
Sure. My address is 123 Maple Street, Springfield, and my phone number is 555-789-4321. Thank you. What payment method would you like to use? I'll pay by credit card. Okay, I'll send you a secure payment link. Received. Entering the card details now. Done. Payment successful. Your order is confirmed. Estimated delivery is within 3 to 5 business days. That's fast. Will I get a tracking number? Yes, we'll send the tracking details to your email and phone number. Perfect. Do you provide warranty? Yes, the phone comes with a 1-year official warranty. Great. Do I need to register it for warranty? Yes, just follow the instructions on the warranty card. Will the phone come fully charged? It will have around 50 to 60% charge. We recommend a full charge for first use. Noted. Can you also help me with setting up the phone remotely?
Absolutely. We offer online support for setup and transferring data from your old phone.
That's very helpful.
Once the phone arrives, contact our support team and we'll guide you step by step.
Thanks a lot. I'm excited to get it.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new phone and have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.